Welcome back to the channel, guys. This here is a 50cc 2-stroke Yamaha moped. I think it's a jog. I have been currently cutting it up. I cut this piece off. It held the seat, the gas tank, and everything. Set right here. I seen something on Facebook, thought it was cool, so I'm making one of my own, a little different. I also shortened the frame about 8 inches or so right here and reattached it. Now I'm taking a sissy bar off of the APC mini chopper. I got 2 pieces cut off of it here. I just cut the rest of it in half here. So now I'm going to attach these and see what it looks like running this and how long do I need to make it, if I need to extend it and whatnot. So figured I'd give you guys a little update on this. I haven't even pulled out the camera while working on it. No excuses, just being lazy and just trying to have fun and get it done. So I'm gonna do some more work and then I'll bring you guys back in a minute. Alright, so I ran out of round tubing, so I used a couple pieces of square. Inside is some 3/4 inch solid steel bar for reinforcement. I drilled some little holes and tapped and welded the hole solid, did some plug welds. That way it's nice and solid. So I have to get some weld wire in the morning. I ran out. But other than that, I need to do a shock mount. Probably do a cross member from here across and then down. And then wired up in foot pegs. So yeah, I'll bring you guys back after I have some weld wire and some more done. Alright. So for now I just drilled a couple holes in the oil reserve and zip tied it on. I need to weld the gas tank on. I have the brakes hooked up, throttles mounted. Need to weld the tank into place, hook up the wiring, and something about a seat. So just a few more things to button up and test it out, finish cleaning it up, and then paint it. So I'll bring you guys back once I'm a little more done, or possibly when I'm ready to ride. Not sure, but stay tuned.